Hi, I'm Gopalkrishna. I have constructed a new house in Attur layout, Yelanka, Bangalore. I got to know about EcoSoch through Google search, and I also visited a couple of websites, and I understood they are having very good presence in the North Bangalore region, and their services have been rated very well in Google. Based on that, I walked down to their office in Sakar Nagar. At the time, my house was under construction; it was not completed. About 1 year before construction, I reached them, and they suggested where to keep the panels. They did some shadow analysis, and they came up with proper positioning in terms of space requirement. And then I was introduced to a person by the name of Dharani Kumar, who was coordinating in terms of installation, and he was guiding through the process. And he explained all the parameters very well. And he also suggested me what sort of panel I should go for, and what are the financing options that are available with them in terms of installation, and what capacity I should go for based on my requirement. That was very good and supportive. That helped me plan things ahead in terms of solar panels, installation, position, everything within my house. So yeah, and it was seamless, and installation was smooth, and they asked me to pay payment online in different stages. So that was very clear, and they followed up regularly with me during construction. It was about 1 year prior to installation. I spoke to them, and I was in contact with them. They were regularly visiting my site, offering some tips and suggestions, so which were very helpful. And the panels were installed on time, and there were no delays or any hiccups in terms of installation process. Overall, it's a very good experience for me. Thank you.